This 2026 Venture RV Stratus SR241 VRK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, skylight, external shower, slide-out, TV, microwave, smoke detector, LP detector, water heater, awning, auxiliary battery, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, mid-living area, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV Stratus SR241 VRK is 5,970 pounds. This 2026 Venture RV Stratus SR241 VRK. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.